Hello everyone, this is Alejandra and I am featuring another card using the Hold On to Hope. And this is another one that comes as a bundle. I really enjoyed using the framelits, and this is by far one of my favorites. This cross, let me just show you how it looks. I don't know if you can see it here, but let me just use this. But you can see it here. I just feel like I love all the details on the cross, and I mean, I'm just in love with this one. I think this is a great framelit, and as usual, whenever you get them together, you get 10% on both of these items. I feel like this one in particular is really great for a lot of occasions, and obviously Easter is around the corner, so definitely one of my stamp sets of choice for that season. So anyway, and the framelits of course are coordinating with several of the images from this stamp set. So and I don't know if I said that already, but as usual, whenever you get those two together as a bundle, you save 10% of each of these items. This one is Hold On to Hope stamp set, and the framelits are Cross of Hope. So I have here a piece of Dapper Denim, and this is 5.5 by 8.5, and I have already folded in half, use my bone folder, and they have a crisp border. I have two pieces of Whisper White. This one, there is one that is this smaller because I want a larger frame here, and this one is 3 3/4 by 5, and the one that is going to go inside, it's 4 by 5 1/4. This one will be better. This will be great because then I can actually write on this one, because I felt like this one is kind of dark, and unless I'm using like a silver pen, you won't really be able to see it. So that's why I'm using this. Now for this part, I'm having here scratch paper, and I'm going to be using the Dapper Denim ink pad, and I'm just making sure my cross is well inked. And you want to make sure, you know what, I'm going to be putting it on this side. There we go. So I'm going to be putting it somewhere in the middle. Okay. Alright. Oh, you know what? I don't feel like. Let's just do this again on this side. This is great when they have two sides, because as you saw it, I didn't put it kind of straight. Alright, I think like this one will be. And I'm trying not to rock it, just pressing firmly. Much better. Yes, I love it. Okay. Then, like I said, I already die cut these, and I have the scratch paper because I thought I was going to do the stamping off, but honestly I don't think it needs that. I think I like it better with such a dark image, because it makes this one pop up even more. And I do want to put in Soft Suede, yeah, soft sky, sorry, soft sky, these kind of leaves. So let's just go from there. Let me just see, how would I want it? I think it will be really nice if I put it like so. There we go. Yes, I feel like it looks really nice. And maybe if I do the same here. And I'm going to be doing the same kind of here. And again, don't rock it. Just stamp firmly, and here we go. So I have a nice background of leaves there. Whew. Okay. So now, for the cross, I want to put this one here, but I also wanted to put a little bit of kind of like an element here. And I've been seeing some samples with, let me just take this one off, where they put the cross here and then they laid this one, and I think like it goes like so, you know, and I feel like it looks very nice, don't you think? So we're gonna be putting a glue dot here, so let me just do that. I have here my glue dots, so I'm gonna be putting a glue dot right here, and I'm gonna be putting it like so. Then I'm gonna have this one here, so I probably need another glue dot somewhere here, like somewhere here. And then I'll have another glue dot right here. I probably need another one here just to make it like a little sandwich. So I can have this one go this way. And then like so. So once I have it like that, I'm going to be cutting. That way I know exactly where okay. Don't you think? I mean, it looks really nice. And this one feels like, let's see, there we go. Yeah, so let me just cut a little bit more. There we go. And so now for gluing this, I'm gonna be, honestly, I think I'm just gonna be putting glue dots on these sections. And I'm putting the glue dots exactly where you kind of have those multiple crossing, you know, that way you can hide the glue dot. And then of course I'll put another one here with the ribbon, so I hold on there really well. And the same thing here. And so I'm going to be laying it exactly on top of it. So this is how it looks. I mean, don't you think it looks gorgeous? And I love this little touch because it gives it some dimension to the card. So now for this one, I also want to do a little banner, and this one is God is Love, and I'm gonna be using again the that per denim, and so this is just a scrap of Whisper White. So let's just do that, and I'm gonna be bringing my Big Shot. Usually I have the Big Shot all die cut, but in this instance I needed to make sure I stamp before I die cut it. So anyway, so we're gonna use that, and here is, oh my goodness. Alright, you'll see it in a second. Actually, let me just put it on this side so you can see it. So I have my magnetic, then I have an acrylic, then I'm going to be laying this one here. So let me see, maybe there is oh yes, much better. Okay, and then I'm going to be putting an acrylic down. and it's done. That's how they cut it perfectly. I love using my magnetic platform for these because it helps the framelit not to move. So this one will go like so here. So now let's go back to assembling these. I'm going to be putting my front base. So let's just go ahead and put this one here. And then I'm going to be popping up this one. And you know me by now, I love using dimensionals. So I always love having those dimensionals. On the cards. It always helps having that, you know, a little bit of dimension. So here it is. And then for the inside, of course, before I forget, because I don't think I really tape this part on my cards. Most of the time I do it after the fact, but I figure you need to know that when it is a dark cardstock, you might want to consider putting a piece of cardstock so you can whisper white cardstock so you can write your message. So here it is. Hope you like it. This is a card that I feel like these elements just make it precious. So anyway, if you like my video, do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also don't forget to look into my blog creatingwithali.com, where I'll put all the details on this card, some pictures, as well as the list of the items that I used, with the links to my online store where you can purchase any of these items. Also, don't forget that I have a monthly ordering incentive where whenever you order from me, you'll get a card kit in the mail the following month, which is going to be to make 4 cards, everything included except the stamping. And also, if your order is $50 or more, then you also get the accessory of the month. So anyway, hope you enjoy it, and leave me a comment if you have any questions. And also look into the description of this video. I'll put also links to all of the products that I use for this card. So anyway, thank you so much, and see you soon.